So I decided to test the Temu FREE Gift system for a full 24 hours. Not just for 5 minutes, not just entering one coupon code and leaving. I wanted to see what actually happens when you use the system properly over time. And honestly, the results changed way more than I expected. The first few hours were kind of underwhelming. I was testing random codes from different videos, browsing normally, trying different reward pages, and the offers honestly felt weak. Tiny discounts, barely any free gift progress, nothing that felt special. Then later that night, I tried the code on screen before browsing anything, and that's when the app suddenly started behaving differently. Almost immediately I started seeing bigger coupon bundles, extra reward offers, stacked discounts, and the free gift section finally started pushing stronger rewards. That's when the test actually got interesting, because over the next several hours, the offers kept improving, not instantly, but gradually. The more I interacted after activating the code, the more aggressive the rewards became. More coupon stacks, more bonus offers, even higher value free gift progress started appearing. And honestly, this was the first code I tested that actually felt like it changed the app itself, not just checkout savings. The whole reward flow became different. I even switched back to a random code later just to compare, and instantly the experience felt weaker again. Smaller discounts, less reward progress, way fewer stacked offers. That's when I realized something important. Most people quit Temu way too early, before the stronger offers even start building, and a lot of them are using random outdated codes that never activate the better reward system in the first place. That's why the code on screen made such a huge difference for me. The second I activated it, early, the app finally started showing the kind of deals people online keep talking about. Now let's keep this completely real. Did I instantly get massive rewards in 10 seconds? No. Can offers still vary between accounts? Definitely. But after testing it for a full 24 hours, this was the first method that consistently gave me better coupon deals, more reward offers, and noticeably stronger free gift progress over time. Try activating the code on screen before browsing and tell me, did your offers start getting better over time too? Or stay basic?